Hello, I'm Sergey Silin from Trio Depot, and today I would like to introduce to the new synthetic reeds made by company Bravo. So these reeds are really good second reed. I wouldn't take it as a performance reed, since I'm a professional player and get used to the wooden reeds, but I would definitely recommend anybody to use this reed as a practicing reed or second reed in case in the performance your reed is fail and you'll be able to pull it off. This reed's really good. They a little bit unusual for me because I didn't get used to play the synthetic reeds, and this is one of the first reeds synthetic I played. I played the Leger. They're amazing, but the Leger also the pricey reeds. This one is probably the box of 5 reeds worth $30. Really good reeds. On an NAMM show I met Greg Osby. He was trying these reeds and he said he was definitely choose this reed as the second one. So they look like this, basically Lego style, and they black synthetic reeds, almost always ready to play. No need soaking, no need the warming up, and playing in any weather condition, temperature condition. Also it's eco-friendly reeds. You dispose those reeds, recycle these reeds, so it's eco-friendly reeds. Very nice reeds. So right now I would like to show you a little bit sound of those reeds. So I'll play a little bit of the Charlie Parker Confirmation, and so you can see I'm not soaking it and I'm just putting it and see what sound like it. So we'll see what happens right away. So let me make a couple noises. Yeah, basically it's ready to play, so just a little bit of that. So response perfect, is playing all high notes, all low notes. I don't need to do any efforts, and what I noticed, the synthetic reeds I'm playing 2.5 strength. It's exactly the same strength that I'm playing on the regular wood reeds. So whoever's buying the reeds, they should get exactly the same strength. Thank you.